Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a monthly August reading for the sign of Capricorn. This is going to be a general reading, so may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Only take what resonates and leave the rest. And if none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, Moon or Venus sign, for additional information. So Capricorn, let's look at your overall energy for the month of August. You have the Knight of Cups here as your overall energy. So the Knight of Cups is something romantic messages coming in, or maybe you are sending some messages to somebody. Love is in the air. There's a lot of flirting. There's a lot of emotional messages, romantic messages coming in. You could be dating somebody in August if you're single. If you've met somebody, then yes, I feel that there's a lot of romance in the air. You also have the Seven of Wands. So this is an energy of standing up for what you believe in, especially when it comes to romantic situations, Capricorn. I feel somewhere you maybe in the past felt that you had to accommodate others. You had to change your opinion for other people, or you invariably did that so that you could make somebody happy. But you're finally learning to stand up for what you believe in and fight for what you believe in without having to compromise on anything. Okay, so I do see some blocks for you in, especially when it comes to love, but it's not anything that you can't handle. Okay, so I also see that especially if you're single and if you have a lot of people coming towards you, you're being very picky and choosy. You're not wanting to give your energy out, like, to anybody and everybody. So you're being very careful about who you interact with, who you spend your time with, which is a good energy to be in. So yeah, you're blocking some people as well. You're kind of, especially if you're not aligned with them. uh, I see a passionate new beginning coming in for you, but there are people who are not, that are not good for you, and you're just cutting them off or you're blocking them. So let's look at the past energy for you. In the past, what do we have for Capricorn? In the past, we have the Six of Wands, an energy of recognition, fame, popularity, being revered by people, being acknowledged by people, being appreciated by people. So let me see, Ten of Cups, especially when it comes to a love situation, you found a lot of happiness here, a lot of emotional fulfillment. You may have felt like, victorious and successful in a love situation. I see a very happy family there. I see a very happy relationship there in the past. But you have the Knight of Wands as well. Okay, so although everything looked great on the surface of it, there was some instability. There was something that was very, and this is a lot of passion as well. Okay, Knight of Wands is a lot of passion, but something about the Knight of Wands where it's not very stable. It's in and out kind of an energy. So let me just clarify, who is this Knight of Wands? Maybe this Knight of Wands is somebody you were dealing with. Now this Six of Wands could also be someone you were dealing with who's very popular, who had to, or maybe somebody who keeps traveling a lot and you don't get to see this person. So although this person is somebody you want to have a family with, have a future with, maybe you already have a family with this person, but this person is not steady. Like they don't stay or stick around in one place a lot, maybe because of their job. Now there is a new beginning here, there is a new start, and it looks like a very stable new start. So let's look at the current energy. So in the past, I see something that started off great, with a lot of passion. Now in the current energy, what do we have? In the current energy, we have the Eight of Pentacles. So you're focused on something. You're focused on maybe your career, your job. You're putting all your effort towards something. Why is the Eight of Pentacles here? Yeah, kind of feeling also stuck and stagnant, because like I said, there is somebody here who keeps coming in and out of your life. You want to continue with this connection, you want to see this through, you see a long term relationship here. But somewhere this person is, I feel they are not always available, or there's something about this relationship that's not really stable, and that's making you feel very stuck and stagnant. For some of you, your career is coming in the way. Maybe you're busy, they are busy, and you're not getting time to come together. I see a Queen of Cups here, which is a lot of feelings, emotions, a lot of love. Okay, so although there is a lot of love here, a part of you feels, is there a future in this connection, because it's so unpredictable. Now let's look at the future. I see the Page of Swords in the future. Why is the Page of Swords here? Two of Cups is here. Why is the Page of Swords here with the Two of Cups? And the Three of Pentacles is here. So again, I see a lot of, an energy of having that conversation with somebody, having that talk with somebody. This is somebody you love. This is an energy of, with the two of you coming together, talking about your future, talking about where this is going to go. I do see a very happy ending to the story, at least for August. I see that there's a lot of celebration, there's a lot of happiness here. I see the two of you, coming on coming on a common ground and agreeing to kind of invest and put equal energy and effort here. So let's see what is the challenge for you. So far, August looks like a great month for you, Capricorn. What is the challenge for you? Your challenge is a Five of Pentacles, a feeling of being left out in the cold. Again, this could be because of work issues, the two of you not being able to come together. There's 10 of Pentacles also as a challenge here. So there is no stability. You want a 10, but you are at a 5. You want to come together with this person, but they are not available, or you're not available. It's just a thing of maybe not the right time, or feeling like your timing is off in some way, which is making you feel very lonely. Maybe you're feeling very left out, you're feeling not included, you're feeling like this person is not prioritizing you. Page of Cups, and it looks like this is something very new. Okay, this relationship looks very new to me. It feels very raw. There is a lot maybe you've not discussed, and maybe you've not talked about, and that's showing up as a challenge here. Now, what is the advice for you? The advice for you for August is the Two of Pentacles. So the advice here is about, to create balance, especially with your work and with your relationship. There needs to be a balance here, because maybe, like I said, either you are putting a lot of effort in work and not maybe getting time for relationship, or vice versa. Maybe they are putting a lot of effort there and not giving you much time. So the universe is also asking you to be a bit patient, because what you want is coming. Okay, it's just a matter of time. Like I said, timing seems a bit off for you in August. What you want, you're not probably getting it immediately, but it is coming. It is coming to you. Just that there is a bit of a waiting period. Four of Swords is here. So yeah, there is a separation here, and you're kind of in that energy of being by yourself. Maybe you're just taking care of yourself. For some of you, there's also some health issues which may be keeping the two of you apart. Now let's look at the hidden factor here. What is the hidden factor for you in August? The Tower is the hidden factor. Why is the Tower here? The Ace of Pentacles. So I do see a new beginning, like it looks like you feel, something is coming crashing down. But in reality, there is a new start, a very stable new beginning. Like some of you have decided or made up your mind that it's not going to work out. And you have been manifesting a stable new beginning, and that manifestation is coming to you, and it's going to shock the hell out of you, because you don't see this coming. Okay, you were thinking something else, and something else is happening altogether. So it's a very good surprise, I feel, Capricorn, and it's in the hidden factor. So obviously you don't see this coming. Now let's look at the outcome. So I love your reading so far. It's very positive. It's very, you know, it's not as bad as you think, Capricorn. Okay. So let's look at the outcome. So your outcome is the Six of Cups here. Thinking about somebody, missing someone, reminiscing about something, thinking about the good old days, feeling like, again, I feel, with the Judgment here, you feel that things are not working out. It's just not working out. You're fearing the worst. You're feeling that something is coming to an end, but in fact, it's just being renewed for you. Like, I feel there is a new energy coming into your relationship, and that will be a pleasant surprise for you because you are not expecting that. It's all about divine timing, okay? And you're moving forward. There's a lot of communication, there's a lot of flirting, there's a lot of maybe you both are traveling together as well. Page of Wands under the deck, Nine of Wands is here, King of Swords is here. So yeah, there is this energy of being fearful of somebody being detached to you, like somebody is not really uh, very involved in the relationship as much as they used to be, but it's not because of anything else. It's just, I think, practical issues that's keeping the two of you apart. And as far as I can see, that's not a problem for too long. That's not going to be a problem for too long. Okay, it's going to sort out at the right time. So you have to just be patient. And let's look at your oracle messages from the angel cards. What messages do we have for you? So the message here says it's Uriel Gold. It says passion, epiphany, entrepreneur, and driven. So I feel that the universe is actually asking you to, they're saying that you're driven and you're passionate about something, and maybe the both of you are that way, and that's also one of the reasons why you both are so committed to your work, and you cannot really put that aside for something else. So there just needs to be a balance, right? There needs to be a balance between your career goals and your personal goals. I see things really working out for the two of you. I see a lot of epiphanies, okay, new beginnings here. I see goddess, psychic, sacred, and proud, Haniel, silver. So again, the universe is kind of asking you to not self-doubt, to not, think of yourself as not worthy of love, and it's nothing about this person losing interest in you. So all those negative thoughts you need to keep aside, because this is what you are. Okay, you're a goddess. The universe is saying psychic, sacred, and proud. So be proud of your achievements. Be proud of your, you know, of how you have, of all the achievements that you've had so far in your career, of where you are in your life right now. Be proud of all of that, because I see a lot of good things coming towards you. And also, you need to see yourself as that goddess, because that's what you are, that's who you are. Okay, so the universe is asking you to be much more positive about yourself. Spiritual guidance, travel, education, experience, and inspiration. So yeah, you are being guided and you're on the right path. Okay, so you're never alone. You're always guided by your angels. So this is what I have for you, Capricorn. A beautiful reading indeed, and I hope this helps and resonates. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel. If you wish to book a private reading, I'm available. You can reach out to me on my email ID or my website and book a reading on my website if you have PayPal. If not, you can just drop me a message on my website or my email, and I will get back to you. Do like, share, and subscribe and comment. Let me know how this resonates with you, and I'll be back with another reading. Till then, take care.